So, machines learn by converting their knowledge into mathematical formulas. This is how they can make predictions or decisions based on new data. Let's take a look at a simple example. We have a chart showing the relationship between height and weight for females and males, on average. Now, here's a quick task for you. Can you estimate what the weight would be for a woman who is 163 centimeters tall? Think about it for a moment. This exercise is similar to what a machine does. It uses the data it's been given to create a formula that can make predictions like this. Now, let's compare using fixed rules versus AI when solving problems like estimating weight from height. With rules, you might use a simple formula like this one. Weight equals 23 times height in meters squared for females, or you could just store every possible combination of height and weight. It's straightforward, easy to understand, and it gives consistent results without needing any training data. But as you can see in the cons, it may not work well for everyone. It doesn't account for individual differences, so the results might be off for certain people. On the other hand, AI takes a different approach. You feed in the height and weight data, and it uses machine learning to find patterns and create a model. The pros here are that AI can handle more complex relationships and is generally more accurate across different populations. Plus, it improves as you feed it more data. However, the cons include needing a lot of data to train the model, and sometimes the way the model makes decisions isn't very transparent. There's also a risk that any biases in the training data might show up in the model's predictions. So, while rules are simple and reliable for straightforward tasks, AI offers flexibility and accuracy, especially in more complex scenarios, but with its own set of challenges.